Hi, I'm Kimberly at the Adult Services Department of the Wayne County Public Library, Worcester branch, and I'm here today to show you how to make this cute little snowman out of just a few things. You need a white tube sock and then a colored sock for his hat. You'll need rice and a couple of colored markers, an orange and a black, a couple of rubber bands, a pair of scissors, a funnel, a couple of buttons if you have them, and if you have a little piece of ribbon for around his neck. The first thing you do is you take your sock and open it up and put the funnel in it, and you're going to fill this sock about this far with rice. We'll take a look and see how it looks here. And this is a little tedious, but it works. You just keep adding the rice to the funnel and kind of shaking the rice down the funnel. You could probably do this with, say, like a paper towel roll, empty paper towel roll if you didn't have a funnel. Or, part of an empty paper towel roll. And this is just regular rice. You don't want to use instant. And it's better to use just a regular plain rice. Okay, you're going to fill your tube sock about halfway up with rice. And then you're going to take a rubber band and you're going to rubber band the top of it. Tight against what you've put the rice in. And you want to make sure you rubber band it good so you don't end up with rice all over the place. I think we can do this one more time. All right. So you've got your sock with it rubber banded. And you can cut off the extra sock. There we go. Now you're going to take another rubber band And you're going to stretch it and put it about, there we go, about 3/4 up. So you want it to look like this. And this is the body of your snowman. And then we're going to take a nice colored sock and we are going to cut it below the heel. So we're just going to cut the sock below the heel. And we are going to kind of flip up a little brim here, and we're going to put it over our snowman to give him a hat. And since our snowman has a hat now, we're going to draw a little face for him. And I'm just going to take a black marker and draw him a little face. Here's his eyes and his mouth. And then we're going to take the orange marker and we're going to make him a little nose. So now he has a face. The rest we're going to use hot glue for. We're going to take a button or two and put them on the front of him. We're going to put a couple of blobs of hot glue on here. Be very careful with the hot glue gun. It's easy to burn yourself. And then we're going to press a button into the hot glue very carefully. And then our last step is to take a nice ribbon and put it around the rubber band so that he has a scarf and that you're hiding the rubber band. And kind of get it as even as you can, and probably off to the side a little so you don't hide your buttons. And we're going to put a little bit of glue on the scarf, and there you have it, a snowman made out of socks and rice. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season.